Okay, guys, we're going to talk today about finding slope. Okay, slope, you may remember, is otherwise known as the rise over the run or the change in the y over the change in the x. Okay, when we talk about our lines, the rise, okay, is going to tell us our up and down, and the run is left and right. But today we're just going to stay to the right to make our life easy. Okay. Be a little easier that way. And when you read a line, you always go left to right. So you're always moving to the right. Okay. First hint when you're looking at your lines, guys, if the line is going up, like this one is, that's going to make a positive slope. When the line is going down, like this one is, that's going to make a negative slope. So that's a little hint to kind of get you rolling on these. All right. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to pick any 2 points you want on the line. So let's say you wanted to pick this one, I'll call that point A. You wanted to pick this one, I'll call that point B. You don't even have to know what they are. You don't even have to know the coordinates because all we're going to do is count boxes. So from A to B, I would have to go up 1, 2. So my rise is +2, and I would have to run or go to the right 1. So your run is +1. So your rise over run for this first problem is +2 over +1. Which would divide to make 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2. Now, if you were to pick different points, you're not going to get a different answer because they are on the same line. So let's say I picked that as my A and this as my B. Your rise is then going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going up 4, that's your rise. And you're going right 1, 2. So your run now becomes 2, which is not a big deal. So your rise over your run now is +4 over +2, which also divides to make 2. So the moral of the story there, guys, is it doesn't matter what points you pick. You can go whatever direction you want. You can pick whatever points you want. The only recommendation that I make is that you always run to the right. If I take a look at that problem, let's change up my color. All right, place these marks I made because this is a touch screen. Neaten this up a little bit. Okay, now I know my answer is going to be negative because it's going down. Let's say I wanted to go there. I'm going to call that A, and I'm going to call that B. All right, and all I'm going to do is count. I don't even care what they are. 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So since I'm going down, my rise is actually -4. And I'm going to run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So my run, I ran to the right, which is positive. That's a +8. So my rise over my run for this one is -4 over +8, which is going to reduce and make -1 over +2. Now I got a little time here, so let's just say you accidentally counted backwards. That's not going to change anything. Let's say I wanted to go from point A to point B to point A. I would then rise 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be up 4, and now I'm running to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the left. So you're still going to end up with 4 over -8, which is 1 over -2. These two numbers are the same thing. In fact, when you have a fraction, it's more proper to put the negative on the top. So the answer is equal to -1 over 2, no matter how you cut it. Okay, so the points you start at don't matter. Where you're finishing doesn't matter. Going backwards doesn't matter. You're going to get the same answer either way. You just got to be careful with your signs. Okay, be careful with your signs.